फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल स्प्रेडिंग ज्ञान वाइब्स। जैसा कि हमने अपने पिछले वीडियो में इंटरनेशनल अफेयर्स के सारे क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट कर लिए थे, सो आज हम आपको करंट अफेयर में से इकोनॉमी एंड बैंकिंग के क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट करा रहे हैं। सो वीडियो शुरू होने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया है सो प्लीज़ कर लें, बिकॉज इससे हमें सपोर्ट मिलेगा और हम आपके लिए ऐसी अच्छी अच्छी वीडियोज़ बनाते रहेंगे जो आपके UP SSC पैट एग्ज़ाम में हेल्पफुल होंगे। सो वीडियो को लाइक करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। सो हम बिना टाइम गवाए अपना वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द डियरनेस अलाउंस फॉर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय हैज़ बीन हाइक्ड बाय हाउ मच परसेंटेज? सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज C, 3%. Question number 2, Reserve Bank Innovation Hub has been inaugurated in which city and what is the initial capital contribution for RBIH? So the right option is B, Bengaluru, rupees 100 crore. Question number 3, the Auto First application has been launched by which bank to offer fully automated auto loans? So the right option is A, HDFC Bank. Question number 4, which country will become the first country to adopt India's UPI platform? So the right option is A, Nepal. Question number 5, which bank has become the first to enter in the metaverse? So the right option is B, JPM Morgan. Question number 6, which city in India has highest number of dollar millennial households according to the Rural India Wealth Report 2021? So the right option is D, Mumbai. Question number 7, in accordance with the Bloomberg Billionaire Index, who among the following has become Asia's richest person as on February 8, 2022? So the right option is B, Gautam Adani. Question number 8, the RBI has directed certain non-banking financial companies to mandatorily implement core financial service solution by? So the right option is D, September 2025. Question number 9, how many digits banking system will be set up in 75 districts by scheduled commercial bank? So the right option is C, 75. Question number 10, Nirmala Sitharaman announced a new tax rule for taxpayers where a taxpayer can fill and update return on payment on taxes. So the right option is B, 2 year. Question number 11, choose the correct statement regarding Economic Survey 2021 to 2022. First, the central theme of Economic Survey 2021 to 22 is the Agile approach. Second, the Economic Survey has predicted 8 to 8.5% GDP growth in financial year 2022 to 23. Third, India is the third largest startup ecosystem in the world after US and China. So the right option is C, तीनों ही स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, which of these countries has been added as a new member of the BRICS New Development Bank in December 2021? So the right option is D, Egypt. Question number 13, which bank has launched the feature-rich saving bank product for women named Mahila Mitra Plus? So the right option is A, RBL Bank. Question number 14, sorry friends, question number 13 का right option C है, Federal Bank. Question number 14, which payment bank has recently get the RBI approval to function as a scheduled payment bank? So the right option is A, Paytm Payments Bank. Question number 15, which company has partnered with MasterCard to tokenization for card-based payment? So the right option is C, Google Pay. Question number 16, which organization has recently launched the Harbinger 2021 Innovation for Transformation Hackathon? So the right option is D, RBI. Question number 17, under RBI's new directives, what is the minimum initial capital requirement to set up a new universal bank? So the right option is D, rupees, sorry, so right option is A, rupees 1000 crore. So the right op, sorry, so question number 18, CBI has recently registered the biggest ever bank fraud case by which company? So the right option is B, ABG Shipyard. Question number 19, the RBI has granted small finance bank license to Unity Small Finance Bank. It is the consortium of which entities? So the right option is A, Centrum and BharatPe. Question number 20. Which company has launched the post-pay solution based on buy now, pay later platform? So the right option is B, BharatPe. Question number 21. Bank of Baroda has launched its digital banking platform under which name to bring all banking services under one roof? So the right option is D, Bob World. Question number 22. Match the following. So इसमें मैचिंग करनी है. So I will tell you the right option. C is the right option. So A का फोर्थ होगा, B का थर्ड होगा, C का टू होगा एंड D का फर्स्ट होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. Who has topped the IIFL Wealth Huron India Rich List 2021? So the right option is C, Mukesh Ambani. Question number 24. Which among the following banks in the only one left under RBI's PCA regime? So the right option is A, Central Bank of India. Question number 25. The government has recently enhanced the income limit of disabled dependents to be eligible for family pensions for life from Ministry of Defence. What is the new limit? So the right option is C, less than 30% for the last pay drawn. Question number 26. PM Modi inaugurated a special commemorative coin of what value to mark the birth anniversary of ISKCON founders Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. So the right option is B, rupees 125. सो बाकी का क्वेश्चंस हम कल करेंगे. सो अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और हाँ, बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें, जिससे आपको हर अपडेट मिलती रहे. बिकॉज दीज ऑल क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर UP SSC PAT एग्ज़ाम. थैंक यू.